Okay, peoples, what you're looking at is the reason that I did this. So, my laser driving lights doing the same thing as Jamie's. They melted the fuse, the ones on the XL7 this is. Great lights anyway, but as you can see, which I'll show you here, they actually, whoops, come on magic camera, started to set fire to the plug for the earth strap. Plus this is also very rather stiff, not quite as flexible as the other end even. So that started melting at that end. Now, the other thing I noticed, my remote control, cordless one for my winch, was not working. So I pulled it apart and look, it was full of water. And it's even got just bits floating around. So that's trashed. Okay, so my old winch line that I pulled off, the cleat that Clevis, it's probably got some really cool name, but I don't know what it is. That went through the fair lead one time, a little bit wrong, chewed everything up, put some marks in the fair lead, which isn't good, but anyway. And the other thing that happened is, I'll zoom in and you can see exactly this eyelet that broke. So that wasn't a good thing. That meant that the only thing holding the rope on the drum was friction and rust. Never a good thing. Not that you should ever spool your winch out that far, but when the winch is inside the bar, it's hard to see sometimes, and when you're trying to get that last little bit that you need, you can always do that. Let's go, Brahma. Make sure you put the thingy in the right way, otherwise you wind on the drum the wrong way. Yeah, everything will become difficult. Very big mess. Yeah. Okay. So trust that. I'm gonna do it by hand. Just tighten it by hand, make sure. The reason I do things by hand in this situation is a little rattle gun will just trash the absolute hell out of the hex in the end of it. This is a tool I've never used before. It's a chamfering tool. I got it the other day on eBay. There's Basil. Hey Basil. So the bar's bolted on. The wiring is fully done. So I'm essentially done. So don't forget to explore, camp and relax.